Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to do a journal with me style video using some of the beautiful journaling supplies I've picked up from Temu recently. I will leave a link to all the products that I'm using down below. And yeah, I just wanted to share. I know I've been buying so many journaling supplies, so I was really excited to actually start using some of them. So I thought I would share that experience with you guys. It's not the first journaling page I've ever done, probably about the third. I'm not sure if I've done the other two on my channel at all, but yeah, I just thought I'll share my process with you. Now, I am very much a novice beginner, have no idea what I'm doing. Don't follow my lead as in this is how you do it, because I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of look at some other journal with me style videos on YouTube and get some ideas and inspiration from them, but I'm no means good at this stuff yet. But I do really enjoy the process of doing it. I hope you guys enjoy watching me. So first up, I'm just doing a little bit of stenciling over the page. The Honeycomb stencil, obviously, again, was from Temu, as well as the little dabber and quite possibly the Inkpad as well. So yeah, I just thought that would probably make a good background. At this stage, I've got no idea on what I want the page to look like, so I don't really know where that honeycomb pattern is going to show up on the page, but I just thought we'll stick some on the page anyway and yeah, see how the page develops. So I'm using the bee themed papers in this set. I had just a little inspiration in my head that I just wanted to do a bee inspired page as one of my first ones. So rather than listening to me babble on for the rest of the video, I thought I'd put on some nice relaxing music so you can grab a little cup of coffee or a cup of tea and just sit and watch me journal in peace. So here is the finished spread. I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. But actually now that I'm looking at it, I feel like something should go in that circular frame at the top, right in the middle there. Yeah, I'll have a look to see if I've got something that would actually fit. So yeah, this is my very first journal page or junk journal page that I did way back at the beginning of the year. And then this was one that I did back in March. I'm so consistent. So yeah, I hope now that I've got so many beautiful supplies to use that I will actually do a lot more journaling and a little bit less buying. I feel like the buying of journal supplies is a hobby in itself. But yeah, I just wanted to thank Temu again for sponsoring this video and for kindly sending me so many beautiful items to review and check out and, you know, share with you guys. Like I said previously, I will leave links to all the supplies that I used in my journal page today in the description box down below. So if there's anything you really want to pick up from Temu, there'll be a link that'll take you straight there. And yeah, I'll also leave Temu's details down below where you can download the app, where you can get access to coupon codes, free shipping, free 90-day returns. All of those details will be in the description box below. So make sure you check them out and get in quick, because sometimes with these journal supplies, once they're gone, they're gone. And yeah, you definitely don't want to miss out on these gorgeous pages. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.